Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jodhpur location. It is from Rajasthan. So let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, Johari Digital Healthcare Private Limited is hiring for assembly line operator. So to eligible for this job role, you should have UG qualifications and along with a diploma in electrical engineering, and freshers are most welcome, and you must have skill sets on assembler activities and ITI diploma. So if you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Coming to the next one, Fairfield by Marriott having vacancies for different positions. So let's have a look. They are hiring for South Chef, Chef de Party Indian and Western, Commis Indian Curry, Commis Cold, Commis Western, Commis Asian or Oriental, Halwai, and Commis Patisserie Confectionery. So these are the job vacancies available. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Coming to the next one, Public App in shorts is hiring for assistant sales manager. So you should have knowledge in advertising, and the salary will be noble and along with smart incentives. So if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Bharat Pay is hiring for different positions like field sales executives and business development executives, like organized business. So for these positions, like for the field sales executive, the salary would be up to 35,000 per month, and for the business development executive, it would be up to 45,000 per month. So if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Co Limited is hiring for sales profiles for the channels of agency and branch renewal. So to eligible for these positions, you should have 6 months to 5 years of working experience from sales and service background. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, NBN Minds is hiring for web developer position. So you must have minimum 1 year of working experience. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Android developer from Anand Rathi IT Private Limited. To eligible for this position, you should have 1 to 5 years of working experience. If you are interested for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, Anand Rathi IT Private Limited is also hiring for ASP.NET developer. So you should have 1 to 5 years of working experience, and you please go through the job responsibilities. Those are mentioned here. And coming to the required skill sets, you should have skill sets on ASP.NET, C#, JavaScripting, web services, SQL, TCP or IP protocol, and SQL Server. So if you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, ABB Group is hiring for a sales specialist. So you should have minimum 3 years of switchgear experience, and local business exposure will have an edge. So if you are eligible for this sales specialist position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Coming to the next one, Johari Digital Healthcare Limited is hiring for like a hardware engineer position. So coming to the desired candidate profile, Like you should be flexible and a team player. You should have strong communicational skills, and you should be an innovative thinker and problem solver, and you should be strong cross-functional expertise. And you please go through the rest of the qualifications and the skill sets required. And you must have minimum 3 to 4 years of working experience. So if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, Matilio Incorporated is hiring for different positions. So let's have a look. For the position of iOS developer, you should have at least 3 years of working experience, and for the React Native, you should have at least 3 years of work experience, and for the project manager and team lead positions, you should have at least 5 years of experience in project management. So these are the job vacancies available. If you are interested for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.